Lesson number 7, 1.7. Let's speak. Today, we are going to learn how to speak with elders and with other friends. Also, we'll learn how to ask questions and things to others and they speaking to us. Ashwini. May I go to play, Ai? Ai. Yes, you may. Ashwini. Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake. May I? Baba. Yes, you may. But after dinner and then brush your teeth. Ashwini. Okay, Baba. Mohini. May I have 2 tickets, please? Ticket seller. Yes, you may. Here they are. Tina. May I borrow your pencil? Reena. Yes, sure. Here it is. Tina. Thank you, Reena. Sham. May I pluck those flowers? Gardener. Sorry, you may not. This way, we understood how to speak. Now, you practice it with your teachers and parents.